Hi, welcome back to my channel. This is my first review video. I really wanted to make my own fresh baby food pouches because I did not like the thought of shop bought ones which have been on the shelf for months and months, and depending on how much you buy, the price can really add up. The pouches are ideal for taking outside and perfect for storing and even freezing. So after a lot of research, I decided on purchasing this fill and squeeze baby food pouch maker from Amazon. It cost less than £20 and I really liked it. So in this video I'm going to show you how it's used, what comes in the box and what I like about it. Now let's have a look inside. It comes with 5 baby food pouches. I have already used 2. These are sterilised and ready to use, and they are also reusable. Next you have a plastic device with holes inside which helps you mash and push your food into the pouch. Next you have a brush which helps you to clean, as well a plastic container, and lastly a green silicone attachment which helps you push your food into your pouch. So you can mash up your food inside the container, you can use the plastic device or you can use a hand blender. Then you add your rubber attachment. So I'm just going to show you a quick example of how it's used. You remove the yellow cap and attach your empty pouch, and you basically just push down and it will fill up your pouch with the food. The brush was a nice size, helps you to clean your container, helps you to remove any food out of these little holes, and it was great for cleaning up the food pouches as well, because you can sterilise them and reuse them. So I did buy some extra food pouches from Amazon. I'll link everything in the description box. They're very much the same as what came with them already. There were 10 in this pack. To prepare my baby food pouches, I've steamed some carrots here. I have some peeled and cut apples bubbling in a little bit of water. I have my cupcake cases ready, and in here I have some sweet potato, tomatoes and red pepper roasting in the oven. So you can just blend right into that container, which is easy. So here I am just blending some apples to make my apple puree. All the purees are ready now, and I'm going to have all the recipes on how to make these in the description box below. So I thought I'll start off with some carrot here. I've attached the baby pouch to the front of the tube, and then you just push down, and as you can see, all the carrot puree is being pushed into the pouch. Here I have some apple puree. I found if you push this down at an angle it releases any air, and then once you hit the food, straighten it up, push in all your puree into your pouch, and this way you won't have any air bubbles in your food pouch. Something I found really useful is the ml measurement on your container, and this then tells you how many food pouches you can fill up. So I'm just going to show you how I made the banana puree. So I'm going to add some bananas into the container. Ideally you'd want your bananas to be quite ripe, that way it's sweeter and it's easier to mash. Don't forget to attach the yellow cap before you start mashing. That way the bananas won't leak out. And then I'm just going to use this, keep pushing up and down, and it helps to mash up the banana. And you just keep pushing until it's all mashed. That was pretty easy to do. That's a nice consistency there. Just going to add a little bit of lemon to stop it from browning. Then just wash the white part of the masher, attach the green rubber attachment, and then remove the yellow cap. Attach your food pouch. You just push it on, push down, and then it will push all your banana puree into the pouch, and that's it really. It's so easy. Once I ran out of food pouches and I had quite a lot of leftover purees, this is how I basically freeze them. See, I've got this silicone cupcake tray from Amazon. I'll leave the link in the description box below. I find that they're quite a nice size compared to ice cube trays. Ice cube trays are quite tiny. This is quite a decent size. So I just freeze all these leftover purees, and I'll show you how it looks after a few hours. hope you found this video helpful and subscribe for more recipes and future videos.